So Beebeard, I had some problem with my colony and I put the queen gate on, and I think now they couldn't go outside easily like before, and maybe they are thinking to abscond. Maybe they're trying to abscond, but I see some bees bringing pollen as well. I don't know what's going on. After 2 days, I'm going to change the box and put them into a different box without any kind of comb so they can build it brand new again, because this brood has some problem. Let's see, they can go inside actually, but not as fast as they could earlier. Let's go in here. This is the first time I see this much bees outside the box, outside the hive. Wow. Now they can't abscond, they can't go away because the queen cannot go outside because I put the queen gate on. They can go inside, they can go outside even slowly, but queen can't. Queen can't go. Oh, such a lot of bees. What the fuck you are doing here? I think they'll be calmed down after several hours. They'll go inside after several hours. Do not have problem. Oh. Okay, that's it.